are pleased to show you the 2019 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, compass, heated steering wheel, fog lights, electronic stability control, bed liner, rear window defroster, security system, power windows, trip computer, panic alarm, tachometer, brake assist. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.